Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to reset your password of Codecademy account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in codecademy.com, click on enter. After that, click on login button, which is at the top navigation bar of your screen. Now, click on I forgot my password link here. After that, you need to type in your email address on this field. After typing in, click on request password reset button here. Now you will get an email to reset your password. Now click on the link provided on your email. After that, you will get a page like this. Now enter your new password here. After typing in the new password, click on reset password button. So that is how you can reset your password of Codecademy account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.